So welcome back to the Capcut video editing series. In the last class, we discussed about the music part. Now we have a text part. So let's go to the text. After going to the text, if you want to add any kind of text, you can add that. Simply what you have to do, you have to click on the auto caption. If you want to introduce or add the auto caption, so you can also do that. But for this option, you can select any language. It's up to you. It's upon to language. It's up to you which language you are selecting. You have to select the language and then you have to create the you have to press on the create, so it will be automatically generate your subtitles. After that auto caption, you have auto lyrics, and these are the auto and local captions. If you want to import, you can also import it. Simply I'm going to click on this effect. Let's come to the add text. Now what you have to do, simply if you want to add a simple text, you have to click on this icon. After clicking on this icon, you have to simply write the words you want to add. I have wrote here smart. I have select. After writing the text, if you want to change the font style, you can also do that from here. I have selected this font style. If you want to make it bold, or you have formatting options here, bold, underline. I'm not going to use this underline option. If you want to increase the size, you can also increase the size. After size, you have a color option. If you want to change the color, I'm going to use this color and place it. Sorry, we have to move to the text, and I'm going to place it here. I'm going to increase the size. After increasing the size, if you want to change the color, you can also change color again. So I'm going to use this color. After that, you have some other options like character, line spacing, alignments, and transform. These are all options for the text. And after that, you have a stroke. If you want to add a stroke, you can also stroke properties are here, and background, glow. These all are the properties of the text. Simply you have to just add the text layer. After adding the text layer, you can add stroke, background, shadow, and these all are effects you can use them on shapes. After that, you have templates. If you want to use them, you can also use these templates. These are new options and these are new additions in the Capcut. So if you are using a current or new updated version, you will get these template options. Otherwise, this is not in old version. So this is the basic class of the text. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.